Hey, what's up everybody? I'm Landon with LMR.com and today's dyno day. It's my favorite day of the week, and the car we're dynoing today is Tony Messina's 2004 Redfire Cobra. Tony Messina is an employee of Late Model Restoration, and he's been here a very long time. He actually started with the company in 2005, 2006, and I was in 8th grade at that time. So Tony, thank you for all your hard work over the years, and we love you, man. So check it out, his 04 Redfire Cobra, he purchased in 2005 in Minnesota and drove it all the way back to Waco, Texas. When he bought the car, it was relatively stock, with the exception of a MagnaFlow catback exhaust, an MGW short throw shifter, K&N cold air intake, and a set of subframe connectors. So over the years, Tony's pretty much put all the sweat equity into this car. The way you see it now, he's done it. So the car features a 2.3 Whipple Ford Racing supercharger whenever they offered this in their catalog in the mid to late 2000s. So period correct supercharger kit. It's making about 17 pounds of boost. He also has an AccuFab throttle body in conjunction with that 2.3 Whipple. And aside from that, the long block, it's stock. He has a set of Bassani mid-length headers all the way back through a Bassani catback. Still has the T56 transmission, so our pull is going to be made in 4th gear, which is our 1-to-1 ratio, aluminum drive shaft, and a 355 rear gear, which was the factory gear on the 03, 04 Cobras. On all 4 corners, he's rocking a set of our chrome SVE Series 3 wheels, and out back, that's a 305 35/18 tire. The car is tuned for 93 octane fuel, and that's the fuel we have in the tank. There is a complete fuel system on this car to support the power that the car is making. So I think we've got all the good stuff out of the way, so we're gonna make a quick trip around the car, make sure our lug nuts are tight in the rear, make sure our straps are tight, and then we're gonna make a hit. All right, people, let's take a look at some numbers for Tony's 04 Redfire Cobra. This car put down a very impressive 588 horsepower at 5,800 RPM and 567 pound-feet of torque at 3,800 RPM. So needless to say, plenty of power. It's very fun, especially when he decides to drive the car, because as it sits right now and throughout his very long ownership of this gorgeous Redfire Cobra, it's got about 23,000 miles on it. So it was a treat to dyno this thing. This is one of my favorite cars we have here around the building, mainly because I'm a kind of an SVT guy myself. I have a 2000 Ford Lightning, so love the SVT vehicles. And I feel that this car lived up to its name, which has Dyno Queen on the quarter window. So if you guys like these dyno videos, you know what to do. Like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more of this cool stuff, and turn on notifications. That way you're notified every time we release something new. And then till the next dyno video, we'll catch you guys later, and keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.